Alright, here's a demo of the guitar channel, or the abnormal channel. I added a master volume. With the master volume all the way up, you're bypassing the attenuator on the output stage. So I'll turn it up to like 2.5, and so you know I'm running out of two Altec Lansing speakers that were in this Ampeg amp I have below the cabinet. You can't really see it here, it's not in the picture, but I'm running them in parallel, so it's 4 ohms. And anyway, here we go. Here's a clean channel. Then there's a bright switch. And here's the master volume. I'm going to turn this all the way down. Turn this one about 6. And then here's with it up a little bit more, get the full crunch. Too loud. But it's kind of cool because you can dial it in. You can have like a medium amount of crunch. And I'm not the best player, but bear with me here. And the master works for the bass channel as well. I'm not going to play bass out of it, but just so I can show you what this channel sounds like. We'll go 5. A lot more punchy bottom end. And then of course there's a deep. That kicks the deep into another high pass or low pass filter. Be right back, I'm gonna grab my bass. Alright, and here's what I got for the bass. This thing's light, it's like 4 pounds. Anyway, here we go. Let's throw the deep switch on. Really thumpy, very nice. There's a bar chord. Anyway. Oh. I'm a crap bass player, but what the hell. So, anyway, hope you like it. Give it a good home. Oh, and just one more note here. So I'm gonna try to get this in the shot. This was the Bassman amp as I received it. I wrote down the information about it, you know, when I received it, and documented exactly what the circuit looked like when I got it. And then this page is what I modified on it, and here shows where I integrated the master volume, and I wrote down all the specifics here, and you'll get this schematic with it, but you can see here it's master volume mod, AB165 conversion. Now the label inside says AB165, but it actually was an AA270. So just one of those really strange Fender things that happens where they use like old labels, or you know, whatever's remaining, whatever's cheapest. That's just how they did it. They rocked it that way, and all these years later, 50 some odd years, you know, it's restored to brilliance. So anyways, this is a 68 drip edge Fender Bassman, silver face, and with the abnormal master volume channel added. All right, thanks.